Hello friends, today we will learn division using visual models. Our first example is 10 divide 5 equals to something here which we need to figure out together. And in front of us we have 10 Pokemon cards. Let's pretend you have 10 cards here and you want to share them equally among 5 friends. How many cards will each friend get? Let's find out together. We'll make 5 equal groups, one for each friend. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have 5 cards left, so let's give each friend one more card. One here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now every friend has 2 cards, so 10 divide 5 equal to 2. So 10 cards divide in 5 groups, and each of them have 2, so that's our answer. 12 divided by 3 equal to something here. And we will figure out what is this something. And in front of us here we also have 12 Pokemon cards. And I want you to pretend to share them equally among 3 friends. So how many cards will each friend get? Let's find out together. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, because we have 3 friends here. And we still have a lot of cards here, so we will continue to divide, right? We give one more here, one more here, one more here. So I still have cards on my hand. So let's continue to divide. So give one more for this friend. One more card for this friend. And one more card for this one. And I still have 3 more here. So one for this, one for this friend, and one for this friend. So we have 12 cards. We divide in 3 groups. So now let's count how many in each group here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Great job! 30 divides 6 equals to something. And you have $30 in front of you here and you want to share them equally among your 6 friends. So $1 for each friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, we still have more money, so continue again to give out. $1 to each friend. Okay, and I still have some more, right? So let's continue to give our friend. Okay. So let's count how much money each friend get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since we divide equally amount, so we know each friend get $5. Our last example is 28 divides 4 equals to something here, and we will figure out together. Now we have $28. And we want to share them equally among 4 friends. How many dollars will each friend get? Let's do that. Let's make 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a lot of money left, so let's give each friend another $1. And another $1. Another one. Another one here. Let's count how much money each friend have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, right? Awesome job today. So proud of you. Don't forget to subscribe for more math videos. See you next time. Bye.